When people think about Medellin, they think about life, energy, noise, sometimes even chaos. But there's a part of the city that gives you a whole different vibe, a quieter vibe, more refined, more exclusive, more private. This is El Campestre. And today we are stepping in one of the most exclusive apartments that this neighborhood has to offer. Let's go. Here's something that immediately tells you that this is a different kind of apartment. The elevator doesn't open up into a hallway, it opens up into your apartment. This level of privacy and exclusivity is something that you do not see every day. And once you experience it, you can't go back to living a normal lifestyle. And here we are, 176 square meters, which is about 1,900 square feet. This is a brand new apartment built in 2026. So you are quite literally the first person to live in it. All of the fixtures, all of the countertops, everything in here is untouched. You will be the first to experience it. Right now we are in the kitchen. We have a granite countertop that is scratchless surface. We've got the electric stove top over here. We've got the dishwasher and the oven on this side. And we've got tons of storage space up top, down below, and on the island, which also doubles as what Colombians call an American bar. You can put little bar stools there to have breakfast. In the case that you don't want to put a dining table in this area, you already have a dining area, which is great. Social area is where the apartment really announces itself. The kitchen and this space flow seamlessly. You could tell that the design was done with intention for living in it, not just some big open space. The natural light here is exceptional because you've got these two giant windows that lead into this open balcony. It's almost like a deck. The Stratum 6 construction holds it to a high standard, and you can tell with every fixture, all of the finishes, that this is not a normal apartment. This is definitely a higher level apartment. Picture yourself waking up every morning, having your coffee out here overlooking the treetops of this beautiful city and looking at the mountainside, the sun rising behind us, setting over here to the left of me, having this whole apartment to yourself, and that's what dreams are made of. The apartment has two full bathrooms and one shared bathroom in this hallway. It's got the granite countertops, beautifully designed. You've got the LED lights in the ceiling and behind the mirror. Everything in here is brand new and designed with purpose and intention. Let's go into the guest bedroom. This is more than just a box with a window. This, you can see, has high ceilings. You've got enough room here for a queen-size bed. You can put your TV entertainment area here and maybe even a little desk in this corner here. If we step over here to the bathroom, because it does have its own full bathroom, it's got closet space and bathroom integrated. You've got the beautiful granite countertops with the beautifully designed sink. Modern touches make it feel brand new. One of my favorite parts about this room here is that you actually have access to the balcony, which wraps around over to the living room on this end over here. If you follow me down this way to this area of the apartment, here is where you have your emergency exit to the stairs and the trash chute and a little place to wash a mop. And over here is where you would put your washer and dryer. Again, the same scratchless countertops. You've got the 10-liter on-demand water heater. A lot of storage room here. If you wanted to use it as a mini pantry as well, you could do that, or just a laundry area. This bedroom is the crown of the apartment. The sense of calm, the light, the size. This is a kind of bedroom that changes your morning routine. You're not rushing out of this one every morning. Let's check out the bathroom over here. As soon as we come in, we have the closet area. You also have the his and hers sinks, same style as the guest bedroom, and a giant shower here with a window opening outside. You don't have any neighbors, so privacy isn't even an issue. So let's go over our notes. It's 176 square meters, which is about 1,900 square feet. It's got 2 full bathrooms in each bedroom, and it's got a half bath as a social bathroom in this hallway over here. It's got the giant island in the kitchen with the stovetop on it for entertaining. It's located in the highly desirable neighborhood of El Campestre in El Poblado, in an exclusive building, 3rd floor with a private wraparound terrace. It's an Stratum 6 with the construction and finishes to match. So when you're ready to buy an apartment in Medellin, whether it's for investment or to live in, and you've got a budget of over $150,000 and you're ready to move within the next 30 days, and you're ready to work with us and our proven system, make sure to click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. And we'll see you here in Medellin.